What I really like about Staffs is the lecturers will always work harder than you do. If you put in the effort, they'll put in even more. And with those type of relationships, that's when you create the best work. So that's something that's been really highlighted at Staffs, and it's just got a fantastic lecturing team that's really helped me. I was able to pick up skills like laser scanning, photogrammetry, then understanding Unreal Engine, but the huge standout's got to be just the quality of lecturing. There's the technicians as well. They were extremely helpful. They're really creative at problem solving, and they're able to help me with loads of issues I've ever had. I'm really proud to be starting at Jaguar Land Rover in September. It's very exciting. And how I actually got the role was they came in and it was organised by Staffordshire University, and they were looking for people with similar skill sets, and that's what started the conversation, got the ball rolling, and that's how I ended up getting the job there, thanks to Staffs. But what we're working on seems really exciting with digital twins and digitising the factories and move into the new age of manufacturing, basically. It isn't just about being able to make games. There's lots of industries you can go into with it. For example, you could do film and media, you could join the manufacturing side like I am, and Unreal Engine specifically is a very powerful tool that's used by a lot of industries now, so having that on your CV is going to open a lot of doors, and it's not just making games. It's really fantastic to know I've already got the job lined up. It's something that I've known for a couple months now, and before I've even finished, I know I'm going to be okay, I can enjoy the summer, and all that hard work I've put in has already paid off with future employment lined up.